red and black birthday cake. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where you can join us in creating a colourful buttercream birthday cake. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips to make your caking journey that little bit easier. We work with buttercream, ganache and fondant, so we've got you covered. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. Today we're making our single tier birthday celebration cake. We're using quite deep colours for this cake, being the red and black. To colour our buttercream, these colours, we always add the colour at least the day before and use the microwave or bloom method to help develop the colour. We prepare our piping bag and fit it with a 1A piping tip, which is a large round tip. To fill the bag, we place our red buttercream onto a piece of cling film, then roll it up into a cone shape, twist the ends, cut the smaller end open, and place the buttercream into the bag. Then it's ready to use. We repeat the same process for the black buttercream. We're using our signature buttercream recipe, which is perfect for covering and decorating your cakes. It's an American style buttercream, and you can find our complete tutorial with all our best tips for perfect results, either using the link below to our website or comment the word buttercream on our Instagram page and we'll DM you the link. The first part of decorating this cake is to pipe the small dots around the base of the cake. We are using black on black buttercream and holding the piping bag virtually upright. It's a simple squeeze and release technique. We repeat this process with the red buttercream on the top of the cake as well. Our cake topper decorations include a custom black acrylic topper, personalised for the birthday boy, and various fondant stars. We've made these several days in advance and mixed Tylose into the fondant to help stabilise and firm up the fondant. We have attached food-safe wires into the fondant stars with different lengths to add some interest to the design. We place these one by one into the cake, checking the placement as we go. The cake is then finished and ready to deliver to our client. Do you suddenly get nervous at the thought of transporting and delivering your cakes? Just comment transport on our Instagram page or click the link below to download our free complete guide to ease your nerves around transporting your cakes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and can't wait to see what you create. Make sure you tag us on Instagram and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us and happy caking.